like to wish to all my family members a very happy Independence Day. This year is based on many celebrations. First, your company, Modicare, is the only company today in the world that is giving the largest amount of Azadi to people in India. I am very happy to say and very proud that we are soon to become the #1 multi-level marketing company in India, and today we are the fastest growing multi-level company in the world. So let us spread Azadi in the true sense to millions of Indians who struggle on a daily basis, whose dreams break on a daily basis. So here's wishing you a happy Independence Day. May Azadi come into your lives. May you change what you do. May you adopt the principles of Soch Badlo, Khud Ko Badlo, Dunya Badlo, and start living the Modi way. So I'm hopeful that in this coming year I will get to meet all of you and we can exchange notes and discuss how you're doing. So happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Mataram.